Hi, this is going to be a test of my new GCF-S7VM speaker ceiling strobe. I just got this in the mail from a seller, and I wanted to test it with my new strobes, with my new recorded fire drill I got at school. So without further ado, here it is. Here we go. This is the one I created, not the one from school.
Evacuation sequence activated. Please evacuate immediately. Evacuation sequence activated. Please evacuate immediately. Evacuation sequence activated. Please evacuate immediately.
That is the one I created. Now I'm going to test the one from my school. And here it is. And that's it. Well, there's more, but I'm not going to play it through the whole way. Thanks for watching. This is going to be a test of the SAFEPATH Wheelock remote microphone. I got this off, I forget what it's called, but I got this online, and it's pretty fun to play with. Just click the little button on the side and you can make it, make it work. Here's the test.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a fire in the building. All handicapped occupants shall use the emergency evacuation plan. Cease operations and leave the building. Utilize the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
That's pretty much it.